Hey everybody, this is Mo in Memphis, Tennessee with 901 Sounds and Auto Accessories. We finished working on the 392 Daytona. We kind of built a nice sound system back here. Kind of kept it simple and plain for this client. We installed two Kicker CVX 10s, dual 2s, kind of flushed them out of the box back here to kind of give them a factory look. And we also installed an LC2 and a Kicker amplifier, and you're gonna kind of give them a little bit more rumble. So excuse the rain. Rain brings good luck, by the way. That's why we're doing the video in the rain. And we also ordered some LED RGB boards that we integrated and replaced with the factory parking lights. And the way the app works is it works off of a Bluetooth kit, or you can get it to work off of a remote control. But just a small demonstration of what our options are. We can kind of go in there and opt in for a particular color. We can opt in for different patterns, different brightnesses. I can dim it a little bit though. You can go in and do presets. It's pretty awesome though. If you're in the market and you're interested in maybe getting some LED lights replaced in place of your factories, this is one way to do it though. I'm open 7 days a week, Monday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. and on Sunday from 11 to 5. If you have any questions, you guys can look us up online or check us out in person. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please drop them in the box, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.